Welcome to my channel Z Tech. In this video I am going to show how you can solve Microsoft Edge error in it e-resources not found in Windows 10. So let's start the process of solving the error. So you can open the Microsoft Edge browser. Then you can go to URL or address bar. Here you can type about : flags. What you have to type about : flags and press enter. Then you can see the option reset all flags to default. Click on it and then you can close the browser. You have to restart the browser. Hope your problem will be solved. If your problem not solved, then we can go to another method. So for solving this, simply open your Window Explorer and click on View on upper tab and click on and check the hidden item. Check the hidden item option. Then all your hidden files will appear in your computer. Then simply go to this PC and to the window partition, C file, then to the users. Here you can go to your default administrator. For myself it is home. Double click on it, open it, and here you can go to AppData and to the locals, and here you can go to packages, and here we can find Microsoft Edge, and here it is, and now you can delete it. Here we have removed Microsoft Edge. Now we can reinstall it, so our error will be solved. So for reinstalling, simply go to start and type on a search bar PowerShell. Remember, this is desktop app and you have to run it as administrator, otherwise you can get error in installation. As the PowerShell open, as you can see our PowerShell open, we have to change it directly. Simply go to Window Explorer, go to this PC, go to partition C, to user, and to your administrator, home. For myself it is home, and here before going to AppData you have to copy this path and paste it on PowerShell. Like here you can simply write C capital D capital and paste space, and then you can paste the path that we have copied and press enter. Now our C command line will go to that path, and here you can paste the command that I have given in your description. I have provided it in description. For myself I have in Notepad, so I will copy it and here paste here and press enter. So our Microsoft Edge in it will start installing, and for your I will provide in description. For your self I will provide it in description. Here my Microsoft Edge has been installed. Hope your error will be solved. If you find any problem again, then you can comment below. I will try to solve it. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.